Where is he? Where's the chicken? Where is he? Smell. Smell. Let's go. Let's go. I think he's this way. Let's go. Let's go, girl. Come on. Oh. Listen. There he is. Listen. Shh. There he is right there. Oh, we had two of them right there, but the old clown freaking couldn't hear me or something and kept running around and scared both of them away. But we're going to go and find them here. They're up here somewhere. We just seen them go. Where is he? Flush him out. Flush him out. Where is he? Where is he? Good girl. Bring him here, girl. Good girl. Bring him here. Come on. It's okay. Bring him. Almost 15 and she's still bringing back birds. Okay, let's go. We gotta go. Bring him. Bring him here. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Let's go. Come on. Hey, girl. Poor old girl, eh? Gonna have a heart attack. Can't even hear myself think here. Well, she was onto them. They're around here. We just gotta find them. Sometimes they'll be right by your head and then they'll just start flying away and scare the hell out of you. They're so camouflaged. And they'll sit just steady. They won't move. They won't move a little bit. But if they do, then I got them. Oh, she must be onto them again. Smell, where is he? There he is, you got him. Okay, let's go back this way, girl. Just watch your 6. Charlie could be back there. Elk bugling right over here. Watch this. There he is. Well, she wouldn't come, so I had to shoot into the ground so that she'd think that I shot a chicken and then she'd come. Now she's just giving her. But before, I couldn't make her come. Well, the old clown stirred up another one on the way out. Holy smokes, if it wasn't for her, we wouldn't have got that one. Good girl, you got him. And then she finished him off. There's one more to get.